On this video, I'll show you how to make $300 a month just playing a game. Let's jump straight in. Okay, so what you're seeing here is a fun little game called Townstar. It's from the creators who are behind huge title hits such as Farmville. And this is a farming simulation game, and you can actually play this game and earn real money. So that's what I'm going to show on this video. Stick around to the end as well. I'll probably throw in a little bonus, but let's get into the detail. So what I've done here, you can sign up for this game Townstar. Just go to gogala.co.uk and get a free account at Gala Games. You'll then be able to see in your account that you can go to the games section, come to Townstar and click on play, and you'll be able to play Townstar. Now, Townstar itself it's got multiple levels of complexity. It starts off very easy. It will guide you through how to get started, but what you're seeing here is a pretty advanced setup in the game now, having played for a few days. And you know, this is a self-sustaining farm. I've got lots of produce and goods to sell and so on. But I want to just show you, come back to that original hook that I got you in with, how would you make $300 a month with this? Well, this is all to do with NFTs. Now, what is an NFT? An NFT is a non-fungible token, and when you have an NFT in gaming, it can be incredibly useful and powerful. So that's what I'm going to show you. Now, let's zoom into this section here. Now, in this part of my farm here, we've got, this is a feed mill. And so you put wheat in here and it generates feed for animals. And we can see we've got the tractor just goes past there, which is called now, what is that? That is an ATV, all-terrain vehicle. And it goes and collects the feed once it's been made by these feed mills and puts it in the trough. And the trough, you can see there's some chickens running around here, and the chickens will go and feed themselves from the troughs, and they will produce eggs. You can then go and sell the eggs for money in the game, and that's how that's working. So I just want to go and show, right, so there goes the ATV, taken the feed from there, dropped it in this trough. The chickens will possibly come round over here. Yep, they want to go and feed themselves on the food that's in the trough. Here they go, and they will then go and produce eggs. So if I now go to my chicken coop here, we can see that this is ready for eggs, and the truck is just going to pick up those eggs and then put them in a storehouse, a warehouse for those eggs. So if I want to sell eggs, I would click on my truck and I would click on sell, and here you can see I've got 22 eggs. It will load 10 of those onto the truck. I'll sell those at London for $16,500 in the game. And that's the basis of the game. But let me show you the value of this NFT. What is an NFT again? Non-fungible token, but in gaming it has real utility. The big buzz at the moment is NFTs is in the art world. And I dare say there is, you know, genuine demand for that in the art world. But with the art world, you've got this game of hot potato, because if you're buying an NFT which is an artwork such as a CryptoPunk, you've got to rely on someone else willing to pay more for it later. But that CryptoPunk itself doesn't actually do anything. Whereas in the NFT gaming world, you have items that actually do something. And people spend hours and hours playing games, and the gaming industry itself is worth more than the movie and music industry put together. So there's a huge amount of money coming this way. And imagine also this game in the metaverse. You put yourself on a virtual reality headset and you walk around your town and actually see what's going on. And if you could see other people's towns and the products that they have in their towns, that's where NFTs potentially can be going with gaming NFTs. Right, now, at the moment, let's go back. What NFT could I put in here that would make me $300 a month? We need wheat in these feeds. Now at the moment I've got a wheat field here, and every 20 seconds that creates wheat. And we've got this tractor going off here. It's going to put that wheat into a silo. There it goes. And then the other worker comes and collects that wheat, takes it all the way back to the feed, and converts that, or trough, no, not the trough, the feed, and that converts that into animal feed. Now I've got an NFT here called a wheat stand. If I click on my Gala Games logo, I can show you I have a wheat stand. Now here is something to point out here. This earns me 14 town coin every time I complete the challenge. So if I place this in my game, let's just turn around, here is my wheat stand. This is now automatically feeding these mills. You see, as soon as they take the feed out, it starts again, because the wheat stand is giving passive wheat to both of these feed mills. So you can see now that they are constantly producing feed, which has increased now the production rate of my chickens and my eggs and so on. Now in the daily challenge, playing this game as an NFT, all I have to do at the moment is gain 1,000 points, 1,000 stars, and that will reward me for the day's challenge. Now this wheat stand, like I said, if we go back, let's just put that back into my inventory and then go back to the inventory. The wheat stand gives me 14 town coin every time I complete that daily challenge. So 14 town coin, what are they worth at the moment? Well, if you go to coinmarketcap.com, which lists all of the cryptocurrencies available in the world, and at the top right hand corner you want to type in your search for Townstar, and it will show you the value of town coin. At the moment it's 0.76 of a dollar, so 76 cents. It's up 5.7% today. And if we look at the chart for the month, it's gone up from 17 cents to currently the 75 cents. And that is a really exciting place to watch your town coin go in value. Townstar itself at the moment only has about 6,500 active players. If you look at Axie Infinity, they've got 2.5 million. Still one game, it's still a play to earn, but Townstar has got massive potential. So the town coin price could shoot up from here. But let's go back to the game and show the calculations. So I'll just place the wheat stand back on the game. We click on place and there it is. There's my wheat stand. And that is earning me 14 town coin every day that I complete the challenge in this game, which is to get 1,000 stars. So 14 town coin times by 0.75 of a dollar. That is $10.50 per day just for playing the game. Let's multiply that by the 30 days, and there you've got $315 at the moment for playing this game, just for having that wheat stand in the game. Now, where'd you get the wheat stand? Let's keep going with the video. Stay with me. I'll show you how to get a wheat stand. Let's go back to my Gala Games account, and you go to the store. So once you've got your Gala Games account, again, go to gogala.co.uk. You can sign up for free. And if you want to play the Townstar game to actually earn, you will need an NFT. So how do you get an NFT? Let's go to the store, and we've got these games at the moment and these various places to look at the NFTs. We want Townstar, so we click on Townstar. This then gives us the items that are available in the Townstar game. And what we're going to do is I'm going to type in wheat, and you will see the various items that are available for wheat, and you'll see that some things are getting sold out. Now, these being NFTs mean they're a limited supply, and this creates scarcity and demand. Sorry, it doesn't create a demand. The demand is increasing as more and more people play Townstar. Remember, at the moment, just 6,500 game players. The demand is going to skyrocket for these when people realize they can make $300 a month just by playing a game. Why wouldn't they do it? Well, here is the wheat stand, and at the moment there's only 319 left at this price point of 2,184 Gala. So what is 2,184 Gala? Let's go back to coinmarketcap.com again, just to give a price reference in dollars. So we go to coinmarketcap.com, we type in Gala, and we find the Gala coin itself, and we can see it's currently 35 cents per Gala coin. So again, let's look at the price of this. So let's zero the calculator. So 0.35 of a dollar, 35 cents times by 2,184 Gala coin in total, and that is $764. Now you may be thinking, $764, why would I pay that for a game NFT? Well, we've just shown you this will make you $300 a month by playing this. So within 2 months, you've almost got your money back, but you still own the wheat stand. And you can sell that at any time you want. There's a website called OpenSea. Let's just go over to OpenSea and see if we can find what the current price of wheat stands are. So here we are in OpenSea.io, and we're going to search for wheat stand. So we type in wheat stand, and here we've got some items. Now we need to be careful. This one is a fake. This has not got the blue tick. So let's just go to Townstar to find the collectibles. Let's just make sure we've got it. Here we go, the collection. So in Townstar, we've now found the verified collection. There's 22,000 owners, there's 307 items, there's a volume traded, so we've now got the authentic one. So this is very much like buying on eBay. Don't go and buy fake stuff on eBay. With OpenSea, you can verify that you're in the right place by checking the verified collection and just checking those basic stats there. That does make sense. Now we can search in this collection. We're looking for wheat stand. So we type in wheat stand, we hit search, and here we go. Now there are different types of wheat stand based on rarity. You've got rare wheat stand, you've got an epic wheat stand, you've got a legendary wheat stand, and each of these by rarity, there's fewer of them, but each of them provide more wheat and they're more powerful NFTs. But we're looking at just the NFT wheat stand here on OpenSea. So we can see here that this one will sell or is currently available for sale on OpenSea for $781. So pretty much the same value. You can buy them from the Gala store at the moment. And if we look at the price history, let's just look at the last 30 days, we can see that the price is a bit all over the place. Again, we're very early on with this game, but I can tell you that I have bought NFTs for the game Townstar that have basically doubled in price as an asset in the last just 2 weeks. And so as the demand increases, because more and more people want to play the game, again, if you can make $300 a month, why would you not want to do that? Then the demand will increase, the supply is set, so therefore the price will increase along with the demand. So yeah, that's the wheat stand. Did I remember to show you? I think we've shown everything there. So if you'd like to join Gala Games, again, quick reminder, go at gala.co.uk. If you want more videos giving you more in-depth insights and showing you how this works, I now make a full-time living just by playing games with Gala Games, and this is just the first of their play to earn. They've got many other games coming through the pipeline. Absolutely incredible company. Do sign up for that. Subscribe to my channel. If you've got any questions, if you feel I've missed anything, I feel like I've missed something myself, I can't think what it is, but do let me know in the comments and I'll let you have some more videos as soon as possible. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.